Now we're going to add the last part of the game, which is to keep track of the score. So to do that, you click on the data block and then make a new variable. You can call this variable score. Now I already have a variable called score, so I'm not going to add it, but if you do, you can just type the name here and click on OK. Once you have a score here, make sure the check mark is checked so you can see score on the screen as well. So what we're going to do is whenever the game starts, we're going to set the score to 0. And whenever the ball touches the paddle and get bounced back, we add the score by 1. So the player has won 1 more score. Let's give it a try. The score starts with 0, and then try again. It starts with 0, and then when it bounces back, the score goes up by 1. And then it bounces up again, it goes up again, so it's 2. Now you can have a game and then see which of you can have the highest score. Another thing you could do is to make this game a bit harder is to increase the speed of the ball as the game goes. So similarly, we can make another variable called speed. And this indicates the speed of the game, of the ball. So again, when the game just starts, we set the speed to a small number, say 5. And instead of having the ball move by 5 steps each time, we change it to move by speed number of steps. So if the speed changes, then the number of steps it moves will change as well. So to make this game harder, what we do is every time the ball bounces on the paddle, we increase the speed by 1. So the ball would go faster and faster as the game goes. Let's give this another try. Okay, now the speed is 7. And if I bounce it again, it's 8. All right, so it goes faster and faster. All right, that's the game. Now you can play with your friend and see who can score the highest. Have fun.